Need help with an online procedure? Let us guide you. Have you discussed a possible special educational need with the teacher and now wish to apply for support? In this tutorial, we show you how to make such a request online. You will need your LuxTrust product. Let's start on the homepage of the Guichet de l'Inclusion Scolaire. Click on I want to start a procedure. To start a procedure online, you must be the parent of a pupil or a pupil of legal age enrolled in the Luxembourg public education system. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will find a section for primary school and another for secondary school. Depending on which one applies to you, click on Access the online procedure. You will be redirected to the myeduguichet platform. Go to the login area. Use either the parent access or the student access if you are an adult student. The steps for the application are identical in both cases. For this tutorial, we will continue with the parent access. Log in with your LuxTrust product in the way that suits you best. You are now in the dashboard. Select the child for whom you wish to make a request. In the left-hand menu, click on the heading Special Educational Needs. You are now on the Procedures page. This is where you will find all the information about your current requests. Click on New Procedure. You can now choose a procedure either for the Inclusion Commission, the National Inclusion Commission, or the Reasonable Accommodations Commission. Please note that the procedure for the Reasonable Accommodations Commission is only displayed for secondary school students. If you are unsure which procedure to choose, click on More Information. As a general rule, the first procedure is made for the Inclusion Commission. This is also the one we will continue with. You are now ready to fill in the form. The student's details have already been entered. Click now on Continue. The next page concerns your own details. These are also pre-filled. Please note that you can stop filling in the form at any time and resume later. Click on Continue. This field is used to describe your child's situation. Enter any observations that you, a teacher or another person involved with the child, may have made. When you have finished, click on Continue. At this stage, you can add files or photos of documents, such as medical diagnoses or certificates. However, this is not mandatory. If you do not have such documents or do not have them to hand, you can skip this step by clicking Continue. It is not necessary to add reports or other documents issued by the school. In the summary, you can review the complete form. If you wish to make changes, return to the corresponding step on the left side of the screen. Tick the box to accept the processing of your data. All you have to do now is sign using your LuxTrust product. Please note that by signing, you are automatically sending the request. That's it. Your request has been sent. The committee has received it and will process it as quickly as possible. Close the window. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you still have questions, please do not hesitate to visit us at inclusion-scolaire.lu to contact the Guichet de l'Inclusion Scolaire.